On June 27, 2020, the world of Dark ended. In universe, that was the actual date of the apocalypse, and in real life, that was the day Netflix made season 3 available to stream. Isn't that strange? The show's latest season has been a massive success, catapulting it to the top 10 TV shows on Netflix. Surely, Netflix would want more of such a popular show, even if the third season wrapped things up pretty conclusively. So, hello guys, welcome back to Movie Buff. Now, to win a free Netflix account, watch the video till the end. Will there be a Dark Season 4? This seems to be a complicated question. Unlike most other Netflix original series, Dark wasn't cancelled by Netflix. The creator, Baran Bo Oder, said on Instagram that he envisioned the series as a 3-season run from the beginning. This makes sense, especially considering all the Trinity imagery found in the series. 3 worlds, 3 generations, 33 years per cycle. However, the show's success could persuade Order and Netflix to revisit the world of Dark, whether it's for another season or some sort of sequel series. What's the plot of Dark Season 4? The very last line of Dark referenced Anna's unborn child in the Genesis world, the world where none of the time travel ever happened. Anna suggests names such as Jonas. Could this new Jonas be a hero of new series? His father is Torben Waller, not Michael or Mikkel Kahnwald, so he would look considerably different. But it wouldn't be the first time there was an alternative Jonas that looked different. Just look at Adam, he's quite different, right? Dark Season 4 cast. No cast announcements have been made regarding Dark Season 4. But even though it's unknown at this time what the status of another run would be, it's safe to guarantee that some of the franchise signature players will more than likely to be back in the mix of set of new episodes of Netflix original series. Fans can expect to see series stars like Louis Hoffman as Jonas Kahnwald and Andres Pitchman as the stranger back for more. Every new season has its fair share of new and familiar faces, and it will be interesting to see what's in store for Dark Season 4. Is there a release date for Dark Season 4? Oh, it's a hard question. If Dark Season 4 were to happen, it would probably be a quite long time before we would be able to see it. Between the pandemic delays and leisurely pace this show's production has taken in the past, a release date in 2022 or later would probably be the most likely option. Still, considering the weight fans have put in previous seasons, this wouldn't pose too much of a hurdle. This show is worth to wait. Just wait for the magic flick. No trailer yet, but it wouldn't be out of question for a video announcement to be cobbled together from past footage. Since the show deals extensively with time travel, it often reuses and replicates footage from past seasons to reflect the past. So there is a possibility to see some sort of video promo before even shooting happens, if there is another season. So now, to win a free Netflix account, like, share and comment on this video. And of course, if you're new, please do subscribe. And to know who are the giveaway winners, follow us on our Instagram page. Links are provided in the description. Thank you.